right? And he's preparing himself. He runs and oh my goodness gracious.
You know one of the things I miss the most? Before somebody decided to eat a sick bat, or that's probably what they tell you, it might be some type of conspiracy. Point is, somebody got sick, and then they spread it to somebody else, and then it went on to spread to other people, and the next thing you know, we are in a pandemic, and then we are in quarantine, afraid of some type of virus. Alright, let me relax. The point is, one of the things I miss the most, I miss going out. But not just going out. I miss the parties. But not just any parties. No. I miss Caribbean parties. I miss the wildness in the dance hall. I miss the Soca fests, alright? I haven't drank in a whole long. Oh my goodness gracious. Listen, I miss the parties. And today, right now, Yaadman is going to be reacting to footage, unreleased footage in Caribbean parties. Oh, I mean, people that don't know, see your favorite Jamaican YouTuber Yaadman Etan, and we're here for the Caribbean wildness. Keep in mind, these videos were shot before quarantine, so all this is happening, before a pandemic. So I don't want to see any type of comments come talking about say, oh my God, this is not social distancing. Cause guess what? Caribbean parties have nothing but social distancing. Alright? When ready for the wildness? Oh yes, ready for the wildness. Woo!
Oh, you mean you don't subscribe yet? Oh, you mean you don't turn on the notification bell? Oh, you mean you don't like, share and comment? Oh, you mean you don't tell a friend them about Yaadman Etan?
You know one of the things that I dislike the most about American parties, and no offense to any Americans out there, but boring. Very boring. Alright? Like when I go into an American party, the guys just stand up there, with cups in their hand. You see me I say? And when I dance for a girl, listen, when a girl is twerking, and doing her thing, the guys are just standing up there like watching her do her thing with a cup in them hand. Now move, not do nothing. So people, hear me, I say, right now, we are going right into the foolishness. So if you see, for the sake of this video, things that may be deemed a bit too explicit, I am going to censor it, okay? Because, Yaadman needs to get paid on YouTube because they're not going to want to monetize, these videos because, Caribbean parties kind of, you see me? Alright, so, parents, if your children are watching this video, just know, give them a couple years and, they're going to be the ones with their faces in this type of camera. Alright. So here we have it. You see, I had to turn on the light for this one, right? So a beer, things are not going right. So you see, what I see from right here, what's going on right now? You see, these two, they seem to be a couple. You understand? Let me explain. You see, the thing about the Caribbean parties, you see, when you have a woman that's dancing on a man like this, you see me, like she's putting passion into that waistline. She's putting her back in it. You see me? Like you can see the way how, like she looking back on him and everything. She looks very comfortable with that brother. You see me? You see the way how her back is exposed and everything. And, she's putting in the work. You see me? Like she, this brother, them probably dating, them probably been together. She's probably giving the wine, boy. She give him the wine when I say, yo, later tonight, me I got money. You see me? That is what I see right here. I would like to say big up to Rum Jungle Orlando. You see me? Rum Jungle is the club that I attend when I'm here in Orlando. You see me? And I must say that the vibe's nice. The party lit, everything about Rum Jungle just mad. You see me? So I just want to say big up yourself, Rum Jungle Orlando. Big up footwork. Alright, so let me explain what's happening right here. So this girl, she seems like a nice hype girl. You see me? I'm not saying that, that she's hype in any negative way, but she is dancing with herself, with her girls. You see, this girl is a girl that you do not approach. You see me? Unless you're a certain type of man. And speaking of certain type of man, here is the hunter, and he sees his prey. You see what I said? Big up to Coverine. Yeah man, the man running upon the girl. Yeah man. Woo! You see that split there? She just said, yo, you can't manage this. And the man said, what? Look how me I gonna do. Yeah man. And the man I work hard. Yeah man. Yeah, bomb. Whoa! She cut fully through her leg over. Whoa! Dog. Yeah man. Yeah dog. Yeah man. Yeah dog. Yeah man. Yes. This was quintessential Caribbean wildness. Yes, I love it.
Let me explain what the average Caribbean party is like. You see, the average Caribbean party, Soca Fest, dancehall party, whatever you want to call it. This is like a gym workout. Is it me? Not even like a gym workout. It's a gym workout because sometimes you have to pick up some tickers. Is it me? Sometimes you have to run with people in your hand on your shoulder. Is it me? Run your waist and bare things. Is it me? And at the same time, it's like a cardio marathon workout. Is it me? Like you have to keep moving. You can't dead. Is it me? It's all about high energy. And speaking of picking up, you see this brother right now with this lady around his shoulders.
Some of the ladies I know, they would have feel away because they be like, some smaller bodied ladies will be like, yo, them afraid to go to a Caribbean party because them no one get picked up by the man them. Well, I heard I lift girls and lift weights, you see me?
And of course, no Caribbean party can be complete without the dancers, you see me? Especially out of Jamaica, the dancehall them, you see me? Pre-choreographed moves or custom choreographed moves that the man them just make up, yeah man, the dancer them. They're all about that life. So this is also back in Rum Jungle. This was shot by the real footwork, big up yourself footwork. This young lady right here, so she had do her thing, you see me? And she...
Me monkey didos.
Yeah, dance here, do your thing. And everybody phone camera right up underneath you. Yeah man. Yeah man, yeah, shake your leg, them on your body and everything. Yeah man, you flip over and boom.
Yeah, and then you have this, you look like you have two rasta out of them thing. How would that? Like you look familiar. Wait. How would that? Wait, I know that here. Wait, how would that? Eh? Yeah, you would. Kill it, you. Yeah, man, roof up. Wait, hold back your hair. Wait. I'm up on the ground. Wait, what a girl do? Wait. Wait. I hope Shensi are not watching this, Wait, Mom. Yes, you. She don't let me get up. She wasn't letting me get up off the floor. We just did dead. She wasn't letting me get up off the floor. I'm one of those people. I'm one of those people that are well comfortable on the floor. Like I'm probably like a grappler on the ground, like a ground-based grappler. You see me? I say like, we're just gonna lie down and say, all right, since you want to take over, let's go do your thing. Yeah, man. I couldn't move. Like I was pinned underneath the body. Like I just couldn't move. The bumper just have me weak. You see me? Like that. Alright, so the final clip for this, right? The final clip does not take place in Rum Jungle. Alright, let us take a look.
No! God damn it, Shane, stop it!
With the WWE voice over. You see, what we see here is covering, he's lining up his victim, right? And he's preparing himself. He runs and, oh my goodness gracious.
Alright, so this is the stereotypical Jamaican party gone wild WWE edition type of foolishness that happens, right? And the man decides to just chuck off. Like, let's really meds and see what's really happening in this video, right? Alright, so what happens here is that he has two of his friends that are holding one girl in the crowd, right? Two friends are holding this one girl, and they decided to, like, you know, take one leg and put it over here, take the other leg and put it over here, and Cobarine would dive right in the middle. Is it me? That's the intention. That's the intention. To make this work, you need a lot of jet fuel, and for jet fuel, I'm probably thinking that they use Hennessy as a substitute. Is it me? A lot of it, by the way. And yeah, as you can see, when he decided to jump, he damn near decapitates his brethren. Is it me? You can see like the neck snapped back. Is it me? And everybody just spill over. The man legit just knock over like 3, 4, 5 different people. Is it me? But he landed on the girl, and that's all that matters. People them, this is Yaadman Etan, and I have been reminiscing on what life was like before quarantine. Hopefully we can get back to the time of the debauchery, of the time of the foolishness, of the time when we can just dive off into the crowd with a girl in the middle, and we can just put somebody's daughter on a speaker box. I want Soca Fest. I don't like this quarantine thing, dog, and you know, I hate this virus, isn't it? I just really want for things to go back to normal, so I can go on stage again with Reggae running through my blood, isn't me? And just deal with somebody that are wicked. No, not like this, not like